Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel
Remodel Your
Your
Thinking.
Thinking. So, Remodel Your Thinking, if you've followed us before on this particular show, we have tried to explain a different way of thinking about our world of remodeling. So, today we wanted to talk to you about the potential or thinking differently about getting into construction as a career.
And so you may or may not have heard, but there has been quite a lot of jobs in the construction industry that have kind of fallen away. People have not gotten into it as they used to in the past. It used to be where your dad was in the business, you'd get in the business, and then the grandkids would go in the business, and that's not been like that. IT obviously has been something people want to go to college and do something else, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with it, but the construction industry can be very lucrative and is something that is in need now and will always be in need in the future. So we just wanted to bring up the fact that looking at a career in the construction industry is something that more people should give thought to.
There's a few reasons why. So, number one, you can get started right now because there are a lot of jobs that are available in this field, and they range everything from sales to trim labor.
Yeah, plumbing, electrical, anything at all.
Everything, whatever it takes to build a house, to remodel a room. The jobs are available now.
You can it can be very financially good for you. It can be a long-term career. It's also satisfying. You're actually creating something that wasn't there before.
Yeah.
So there's that intangible that really feels good. Through the San Antonio Builder Association, we actually work with the Alamo community colleges in their construction departments, so that we're actually training high school students how to get into the business. UTSA has a construction management program. So the opportunities are endless. You can be your own boss in time. You can make a very good living. You can, in a sense, create your own hours, and it's always going to be in need. You would be amazed how much need there is now and will be in the future for those in the construction industry.
Yeah, and it really is. We can say this knowing firsthand, it can be a lifelong career. So there really is a lot of opportunity for growth, and it's a great field to be in, and you just meet some really amazing people along the way too.
So we just wanted to kind of put that out there, not necessarily about a specific project, but something that people should give thought to. And if you know anybody or talk to anyone that's looking for something to do, or some younger generation, say, it's not a bad idea.
It might be someone who's watching who is, maybe your kids are in high school and they're considering, okay, what's the next step? Maybe I go to a trade school, or maybe I do want a 4-year degree and I want to go into the field of construction science. So there are other universities that have it in San Antonio, like Mike talked about, but there's other opportunities. So anyway, just thought we would put that out there and remodel your thinking about the field of construction. And it is very sexy and attractive. So anyway, and if you like what you see, please share, and please like us, and tell your friends.
Thanks a lot.
See you next time.
Bye.